Hi everyone, happy 48th anniversary.
Vlogger?
Our planet. To begin this program, may I now call in Ms. Therese Kalibugan for the invocation to be followed by the Philippine National Anthem through EVP.
We thank you for gathering us here today. We thank you for the gift of life and strength that you have provided us all to be part of this endeavor.
Mayong buntag sa tanan. First, with due respect to our chairman of the board, ito po mo, maputi yung buhok, pinaka-posibilidad. The second thing that might happen, because GM ka after 3 years, mapaw, mo na may anong kayo po, kita namin ninyo. Ano si GM Willie Sanchez of Yanga, GM Larry Pandili of Natuan, si GM Boy GM Joel of Barubo. With us also, naapod mag-meeting mo karon sa Ruwada, mag-meeting yung mga GMs, ang sports committee po normally, mag-meeting po na sila. So, di ako na sila, mga taga-Laylay, Pag-Water District, di ako na sa Ruwada. Ato silang i-welcome at pagkakan. Grabe to. Then, disunod na dahil yung COVID pandemic, tapos, grabe ang negative kaya District City Water District. So, naku kayong challenge sa mga kabahin. Any rate, with our board of directors encouraging us, supporting us all throughout sa management of Sarang and File, naabot pagintaan yung panahon na naka-recover na po kay medyo nagkinawaay na may gamay. Gamay lang kay pag-urang kami na-capacitive, karoon na yung April naman, na-capacitive na may board.
So what are questions? So what are members? General managers, the city of Mistake will be assured of the continuing supply of potable water.
When we celebrate our anniversary, we will not do away also with... May we request GM of Tandag, GM please, to help us in the wording of the loyalty. So, it's part of our praise and it's a part of our rewards and recognition for the long years of service. And a 5,000 cash. Okay. For the 30 years in service, wala ko yung power, a gold necklace and a 5K cash. Let's give a big hand to Sir Noel Almocera, our water 1998. And of course, for the 35 years of service, walay pabor-pabor, gikan sa admin division, Miss Vidya S. Gabisay, a gold bracelet and a 5K cash. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, everyone.
Guests and fellow workers in government, maayong buntag sa tanan. Today marks a very important milestone for District City Water District. Kung tao pa ni its 48th birthday. Our theme, ang theme na ito is protecting our water, saving our earth. So, syempre, kung ano na siya, as we all know, the whole worldwide, 1% naman ang available na potable water, no? Kaya uban in the form of ice man. So, important yun na ikuan na ito atong water by, syempre, kung sa may isa ka role sa mga water district, develop and protect atong watersheds kaya para natin steady supply of water. The Water District Board of Directors and Management, we thank you for taking part in celebrating our anniversary day.